Purobeach's first full resort brings its iconic beach club spirit to the southwest of Mallorca. Set on a hillside above the bay, Oasis Del Mar Purobeach Resort Santa Ponsa has 160 rooms and suites across terrace buildings with sea and countryside views, 2 outdoor pools, a dedicated wellness center, and dynamic cocktail and dining scene. At the heart of the resort is the Purobeach Pool Club with DJs and daybed food and drink service. The main pool is the resort's pulse. It sits at the top of the property for maximum panorama. Daybeds line one side of the pool, and sun loungers edge the deck, with a few designer loungers in the shallow water. The music and Purobeach DJ shapes the mood throughout the day. The team set you up with towels and a refreshment tray. Rooms are spread across the hillside in low buildings, and in the main block by reception. Some face the bay. Others look out to the pines and inland hills. All keep to a contemporary Mediterranean palette of neutral, sand tones and warm woods. Bathrooms open to the room, with basins set behind a screen, with a separate shower and WC. Minibars are neat, and well stocked with proper glassware. A vase of fresh flowers with eucalyptus is a nice touch on arrival. Rattan flip-flops replace the usual hotel slippers, which prove comfortable and practical by the pool. The wellness area sits under the main building, cool and calm with a sauna, Turkish bath, and adults-only relaxation room. By day, the pool cafe keeps you going with plates like a halloumi salad. By evening, Ona sets the mood for the resort, its terrace facing the sunset through the pines. Service is unhurried. The menu focuses on the Mediterranean, so expect grilled fish, salads, and pasta for those who want comfort.